When a shoe design is inspired by the tires built for high-end exotic sports cars, you can expect it to be light and fast. But is it just hype? Or should you check out the Sidney Crosby endorsed Z-Quick Run from Reebok? This is Chris from Get Out There Gear Reviews. At just 7.6 ounces, the Z-Quick is light. The NanoWeb exoskeleton around the mid-step and heel adds some support to the no-sew upper, while maintaining the highly flexible feel of the shoe. The internal booty is comfortable and my foot moves naturally throughout my stride. The midsole is designed with EVA to promote maximum handling, and the outsole includes QR-Tech rubber in high abrasion areas for lightweight durability. The tread pattern is reminiscent of Z-rated racing tires used for cars traveling well in excess of 200 kilometers an hour. It's designed for responsive traction, even for those of us who aren't quite that fast. The look is simple and sharp with clean lines and just a few stylish touches on the basic black and white scheme. My shoes arrived with both blue and black laces to choose from, and my Facebook friends unanimously supported the blue. There's something really cool about how these look, whether you're running, working out, or just walking around downtown. The Z-Quick Run isn't a super cushioned shoe, and as a heavier runner without perfect stride mechanics, it doesn't have all the support I'd like for longer runs. But for speed work, hill sessions, cross-training, and runs up to about 45 minutes, I enjoyed it. If you're looking for a lightweight running shoe this spring, it may be just what you need. To check out the Z-Quick or any of the other Z-Series products, go to Reebok's website or a retailer near you. And for all your gear and race interests, check out Get Out There, in print, online, on YouTube and Pinterest. We love helping you find everything you need to get out there, have some fun, and come back ready for more.